Hey everyone, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Clarissa, and today I am so excited to share with you one of my favorite recipes. It's Mexican rice, baby. It is so darn good. Every time I go out to the restaurant, I either order double the rice and no beans, I order a side dish of it, or I just steal the rest of the rice on someone else's plate if they didn't finish it. That's how much I love it. And I absolutely love when I drench lime on top of it. Ooh, it's so good. I've been dying to make this recipe, and I finally did it. I did post the 2 variations of this recipe in the description box right down below, so make sure that you guys check it out in case if you guys want to recreate this. But this time I'm only going to show you the one variation that I did, which is the traditional way. Now before we get on to the video, I would absolutely love your continuous support by hitting the subscribe button right down below and hitting the notification bell, because I do post videos every single week. And again, if you guys are looking for recipes on a daily, I also have an Instagram account. You guys can follow me at Clarissa's Kitchen. And without further ado, let's get onto the recipe. In a blender, add half of a tomato, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, and a half of a white or yellow onion. Add a little water if it's too thick to blend at first. In a medium-sized pot, add some olive oil and bring to a medium-high heat. Make sure to wash the rice at least 3 times minimum in order to remove as much starch as you can. Then we'll be adding the rice in and sauteing it until it gets a little bit golden browned. Add some salt, then some garlic powder, some cumin, and black pepper, which is totally optional. I didn't add it in here, but you know me and black pepper, I can go crazy. Once the rice browns a little bit, then add the sauce. And add a little more tomato paste to not only add more depth of flavor, but also to deepen the red color of the rice more. Once the rice starts to simmer, add the chicken stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a low simmer, cover with the lid, then cook on low for 30 to 35 minutes. I checked on the rice about 25 minutes later, and you can see that it still had about 5 to 10 more minutes of cooking. If you need to add a little bit more chicken stock or water, feel free to do so. Also, one of the tricks to making this rice is to fluff it up with a fork. Rice with a fork again. And if you want it to be less moist or sticky, I know moist is such a weird word for people, but you can continue to cook on low with the pot uncovered. And there you have it. That is my variation of Mexican rice. And now again, if you're trying to look for a little quicker and cheap-ish way, I did put the other variation of the recipe right down below in the description box in case you want to snapshot it or screenshot it, whatever the case may be. If you guys enjoyed watching this recipe, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, as it really supports my channel, as well as hitting the subscribe button right down below and the notification bell, because I post videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.